In last video, we went over the definition of a piecewise defined function, and we went over a couple examples. So now let's get into example 1 where we need to evaluate. It says if f of x equals, find f of 0, f of 1, and f of 5. So we kind of need to find 3 different values here. So when x is less than or equal to 1, we are going to use this linear function here. I know this is a linear function because we just have an x. You have no x squared, x cubed, x to the 4th. So we have a linear function. If x is greater than 1, then we will use this cubic function right here. So starting with f of 0, and this simply means here that x equals 0. Which function do I want to use on this piecewise function? Do I want to use the top one? Is my x less than or equal to 1? Or do I want to use this bottom function? Is x greater than 1? Because my x is 0, that means x is less than or equal to 1. I want to use my linear function here. So we will substitute in a 0 where I see this x. 2 times 0 just kind of zeroes out. So 0 plus 4 is 0. Okay, so now we'll go to f of 1. Okay, which function am I using here? The top one or the bottom one? Okay, they both do have a 1, but which one can equal 1 is this top one here. It's when x is less than or equal to 1. So I'm still using this top one. So I'm plugging a 1 in for my x plus 4. So this is 2 plus 4, which will give me 6. My last one, f of 5. Am I using the top equation or the bottom equation? Here, because my x is 5, that means x is greater than 1. So I'm going to use this bottom one here. So I have 5 cubed minus 1. 5 cubed is not 5 times 3. It is 5 times 5 times 5. So that will be 125. And then minus 1 will be 124. Okay, so when you're evaluating, you want to look at its domain and pick the function that your domain is in.